Ilfracombe. This small town on the North Devon coast continues to enjoy unwavering popularity among both holidaymakers and weekend visitors. Its well-preserved Victorian architecture and intimate atmosphere create a nostalgic charm, while many family-run shops have been passed down through generations.
One of Ilfracombe's most unique attractions is the fascinating tunnels beaches. Hand-carved in the 1820s, these tunnels lead to sheltered beaches and a historic tidal Victorian bathing pool. They were specifically created to allow separate bathing areas for men and women, in accordance with Victorian social norms. In the 19th century, seawater was considered to have healing properties, which is why wealthy tourists came here to enjoy therapeutic sea baths. To this day, rock pools remain intact, filling with water during high tide, perfect for a relaxing swim.
BBC Wildlife magazine has ranked them as the third best rock pooling spot in the UK, ensuring endless fun for children while adults can relax and unwind. Tunnels beaches are also a sought-after wedding venue, so don't be surprised if you spot a happy newlywed couple during your visit.
Situated along the dramatic and rugged North Devon coastline, Ilfracombe is a cosmopolitan seaside town that has long drawn in tourists. Its picturesque fishing harbour, framed by majestic cliffs, offers stunning views perfect for walkers and cyclists. Ilfracombe is also packed with attractions.
Be sure to take a stroll towards the harbour and along the quay to admire one of Ilfracombe's most iconic landmarks, Verity, a striking sculpture by Damien Hirst that never fails to spark discussion and debate.
Verity, symbol of courage and controversy. One of the most recognizable attractions in Ilfracombe is the Verity sculpture, a work by the renowned artist Damien Hirst. This 20-meter-tall statue depicts a pregnant woman holding a sword in one hand and a set of scales in the other, symbolizing truth and justice. One half of her body appears normal, covered with skin, while the other half reveals her muscles, bones, and the child in her womb. Despite the controversy, the sculpture has become a landmark of the town and attracts tourists from all over the world. In summer, hop aboard the MS Oldenburg and set sail for Lundy Island. With a bit of luck, dolphins will accompany you on the journey. Once on the island, there are plenty of activities to enjoy, including bird watching, hiking, diving, for experienced divers only, and Lundy letterboxing, a fun treasure hunt following hidden clues to locate secret wooden boxes.
Ilfracombe is alive with festivals and events all year round, with its bustling harbour and the coastal landmark theatre always offering something exciting. Beach lovers will be spoilt for choice, with wide sandy shores and hidden coves perfect for picnics and rock pooling at low tide. If you're dreaming of a relaxing getaway in Devon, Ilfracombe and its charming holiday cottages are an ideal choice.
Ilfracombe is also a hub for cultural events. The landmark theatre, located near the beach, is famous for its distinctive architecture. Its twin conical roofs have earned it the local nickname Madonna's Bra. Hosting performances by the likes of Ed Byrne and Jason Manford, the theatre has a diverse program of music, drama, film screenings, and festivals throughout the year.
Regarded as the gastronomic capital of North Devon, Ilfracombe boasts exceptional chefs, many of whom have opened their own restaurants here. Local specialties such as fresh seafood from the harbour, Exmoor meats, and regional cheeses create a unique dining experience sure to delight any food lover. Chapel of St. Nicholas, the oldest lighthouse in the UK. The Chapel of St. Nicholas, located on Lantern Hill, has served a dual purpose as both a place of worship and a lighthouse. Its history dates back to the 13th century, making it one of the oldest surviving lighthouses in the United Kingdom. If you're looking for a destination that combines breathtaking scenery, fascinating history, vibrant culture, and outstanding cuisine, Ilfracombe is sure to impress.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated.